Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is good thoughts. Number 1. Honesty is the best policy. Number 2. Kind words spread happiness. Number 3. Work hard, dream big. Number 4. Patience brings success. Number 5. Be thankful every day. Number 6. Knowledge is power. Number 7. Always help others. Number 8. Forgive and stay happy. Number 9. Health is wealth. Number 10. Time is precious. Number 11. Think positive, be positive. Number 12. Failures teach success. Number 13. Respect everyone. Number 14. Smiling is kindness. Number 15. Believe in yourself. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.